History has never been as proud as on the city that built history. The ancient cities were built around the idea of a new civilization. Faisalabad is the true representative of the idea today. The true industrial hub of Pakistan. The center of culture and civilization. The city of traditions that built the nation. Faisalabad has rightly been called the Manchester of Pakistan. Be it the hockey legend Shahbaz Sr., the IT prodigy Arfa Kareem, the music maestro Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and his heir Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. All represent the rich culture of Faisalabad.
Faisalabad's old name was Lyallpur, founded during the British era. It was renamed in honor of King Faisal. 8 bazaars radiate from the central clock tower. Still, Faisalabad is famous for industry and flavors. Its desi breakfast wins the hearts of every visitor. Enjoy the kebabs and do not forget the iconic sweets. The people are known for sincerity. Visit Faisalabad and taste its food, or your trip will be incomplete. From biryani to nihari are legendary. At night, thousands enjoy these food streets. Around D Ground and Ghar, the people of Faisalabad are famous for their hard work, hospitality, and sincerity. Punjabi culture and traditional clothing add to the beauty of this city, especially during festivals. If you want to see history, culture, shopping, delicious modern lifestyle in the same city, you must visit Faisalabad. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon.